Hey guys, welcome to Make with Rex, and today I'm going to show you how I made these cool, awesome Black Panther gloves.
Let's go.
The revolution will not be televised.
Show me my respect and bow down.
I hope you like the video. If you like the video, share with your friends. If you are a fan of Black Panther, comment down how you like the movie. I loved it, and here is a tribute to Black Panther. Ta-da!